Relationship expert Blessing Okoro has once again come out to comment on the case of IVD and his late wife Bimbo.
But the reason why I'm making this video is to clarify the lies that Bimbo's elder sister Mamajazz is talking. I don't have anything against Mamajazz. If she comes for me, I will come for her. The only thing I am telling Mamajazz, because you are going to be, I know you're on this live video, or your people will come and tell you. So Mamajazz, this is for you. The only thing I'm saying is stop lying on IVD's name. I know you have personal problem, but stop saying that IVD killed his wife. That's a wrong narrative, at least for the children. That's a lie from the pit of hell. Mamajazz, before your younger sister died, you blocked her and she blocked you. You were not in talking terms. How come suddenly she died? You started shouting. Did you not block your sister? Were you talking to your sister? Any day I see you, I will look you in your eyes like this and tell you to your face. Did you not block your sister, Mamajazz? I lie? Any day where I went. Bimbo will be happy where she is, that somebody can even speak on her. Because Bimbo was not even in good terms with her family. This family that is running their dirty mouths, they were not in good terms with this girl. They abandoned her when she was alive. There are evidences to show. How come the family is suddenly showing some sort of love and trying to go to court? If you had gathered that money and showed concern, Bimbo wouldn't have been dead. If you guys had showed Bimbo this kind of love, you showed Bimbo, Bimbo would have still been alive. Bimbo was looking for love. She didn't have family love. It was just her best friend and her husband that stood by her. Bimbo did not even have too many friends. Simple. So the family that is coming out right now to look for who to blame and who to drag and who to sue and who to shut up. Where were you when the girl was looking for somebody to talk to? Where were you people? Suddenly people are family, you are jumping. It's only when it gets to trouble that some of this family jump out.